Another assumption/sociocultural factor that was prominent both prior to and throughout my swimming program was the idea of technocentricity and scientism. I found that following the first 2 weeks of my swimming, I trained best under a scientism training program, as I found that sticking to certain times over certain distances motivated me immensely, which made me swim and train harder to my full potential. I also discovered that it was best if I thought as my body as if it was a machine, and applying a variety of strategies to the machine will ensure that I got merit in my post-test. I've planned my strategies of 1. Wearing flippers to improve my kick, 2. Applying progressive overload, 3. Swim a third time a week, and 4. Swim with a training partner to help myself progress from an achieve to a merit student. I discovered that progressive overload was the best way for me to stick to/include the ideas of technocentricity and scientism within my training program. To do this, I gradually increased the distance of each set, or pushing myself to reach a specific time. Applying progressive overload in my sets prevented me from plateauing and increased my physiological adaptations, such as increased heart volume, increased lung volume, more slow-twitch muscle fibers, increased blood volume, and increased red blood cells. I included the progression principle in the systematic process of increasing the overload of training in order for further adaptations and improvements in my performance to take place. My research found that including technocentricity and scientism would benefit me immensely, as swimmers cannot train at the same speed week after week and expect to continue improving their aerobic capacity or other physiological adaptations. By increasing the distance of each set, reaching time limits, and decreasing the time between each set, I improved my anaerobic capacity, aerobic muscular endurance, and anaerobic muscular endurance, which I believe was the reason why incorporating my knowledge of the sociocultural factors of technocentricity and scientism played a massive role in me reaching my goal of merit.